Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine and doing your homework. So, I hope you will enjoy your day today. So, let's get started with our today's video. So, today, children, we'll be doing some more work on the O sound, okay? So, let's do the activity first. For the activity, I have taken a plain sheet and I have drawn a big shape of O sound, okay? You can also draw and make your own pattern and color, okay? I have made the pattern here. I have taken the orange color because orange starts with O sound, O, orange. So I will color one block, then I will leave the other, and I will color the another block and I will leave the other, okay? So in this way I will make the pattern. I will decorate my O sound. You can also decorate. So let's start coloring. So while you are coloring, you need to remember that your color should not go out of the lines. Color neatly. So as you can see, children, I have finished my coloring and you can see how beautiful it is looking. You can also make your own pattern and color your way, okay? But you need to take orange color or orange, okay? So this is very beautiful. You can also make beautiful circle. Let's practice writing, okay? So for this you need to take out your book Skills in Writing English Small Letters, okay? So when you will take this book, you will turn on to the page number 34. So here what we will do is we will write the O sound without dots, okay? So you can see the formation they have given here. You need to trace and write O sound or orange. Orange. So now children, let me explain you how you will write the O sound, okay? So the first line you can see is dotted lines, and from second line it's without dots. So let me explain you how we will write the O sound on dots. See very carefully, children, and make the formation correct, okay? So you can see you need to make a circle, okay? That is O sound. So your O sound will come between the two blue line. Always remember that. So you can see I have made the O sound on the dots. Now I will tell you how you will write the O sound without dots. Can you see the dot here? You will start your line from here and then you will make a circle, come back to the same point, okay? But it will come between the two blue line, okay? Always remember that. So now practice writing O sound along with me. I will tell you once more. Very nice. So can you see? In this way you need to finish your work in this book, okay children? So I hope you will do your work neatly. Now children, let's sing the song.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay kids, I hope you have enjoyed your video. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.